another black collaboration. This is crazy. I'm supporting black creatives, but sometimes the truth has to be said, and I will try. It's just, oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7. Of course it has to be me, I guess, because I'm sitting right in front of you, but you might be new to my channel, so I guess that's why I'm saying my name again. My lips are kind of dry, so I'm just gonna oil this up. So I'm back with another video. Woo! It has been so hot recently. The curly hair had to come out to shine. I have invested in a black collab to go and buy Tammy's palette and basically her collaboration with Makeup Revolution. Do you know what the funny thing is? I kid you not, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I actually only discovered Makeup by Tammy the other week. Like, it's crazy how many YouTubers and how many skillful creators are out there. You just discover someone new every day. I've actually copped, this is my second black creative that I've actually supported by buying their products. I actually did a video on Patricia Bright's collaboration with Makeup Revolution as well. I love her palette. Her palette was my go-to because it was just the best. So I had no fault in me going for another Makeup Revolution collab, but with Makeup by Tammy. And can I just say, I am loving it, okay? Because I have tried this out before I came to film for you guys, so yeah. Without further ado, I've been speaking for 3 minutes and 38 seconds, 39 seconds now. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep, you can see all them marks there because I've been digging. And I live for, with this palette, is there's a shade, there's a look that goes with everything. My eyebrows, I'm loving my eyebrows because they just start to look natural every day. The way I do my eyebrows now is completely different to the way I used to do them. Now it's so much easier, so much faster, and it looks good. Let's, shall we? Okay, so I'm just going to be, I'm so excited to try her palette, and she has like lipsticks to come with it. She also had a face palette, but I didn't manage to get the face palette, but I did get the lipsticks, well, the lip glosses, and I'm just in the shades. Can't wait for you guys to see it on me. Can't wait. Hi sis, hi. Anyway, I'll be doing my makeup a bit. Guys, look at the way I'm creaming my face with the primer. I'm proper creaming my face with the primer. I should be doing this, but I just want to get all. Because it's been so hot lately, I have been powdering before I use my foundation. I'm going to do my makeup a bit differently today because, why am I doing my makeup differently today? Basically, you guys, I'll get into it. Let's just do one thing at a time, shall we? So I'm going to powder up because it's been like 32 degrees in the UK for my US viewers, so I literally powder. I'm going to do my makeup a bit different. I might look a bit crazy at first, and it's because you guys said, I read some comments that said you guys believe that my concealer might be a bit too light for me, and I use Fawn, which a lot of black girls use Fawn. So although I've changed my foundation, my concealer, I don't know. I'm going to use this hella light concealer first. I'm using this because it's more of a neutral tone, whereas Fawn is a more yellow tone. So I want to cancel out any yellow tones out my face. At the moment, my chin and this bit. And I'm going to, this is not my shade at all, but guys, keep watching and you'll see. You'll see it, okay? Everyone's gonna be like, ah, girl, that is not your shade. What are you doing? Which is a Nars Radiant longwear foundation in the new Caledonia. Foundation. Cool. Before anyone says this is too light, guys, you should know by now I love my bright under eyes. Okay, let's do a little L shape. If you haven't seen my last video, I did do an L-shaped nose contour, so check that out. I'm just gonna rush through this in case you want to break down what the I know this actually annoys some people, but I just can't help it. It just adds a vavavoom to my makeup. Do you know what I mean? I've been using Crush on Cupid all week, to be honest. Fenty cream blush. It's just bomb. It's just bomb, I guess. So, guys, I have this thing about doing my blush before I set my under eyes because I don't want powder to get in the midst of the blush. So, yeah. Why is my face starting to itch? Oh my gosh. You do your makeup and all of a sudden everything's starting to itch. Like, where was you before? Give myself more defined cheekbones because I don't know, I've just been liking that look lately. So like every day my makeup changes depending on how I want to look like or what I want to feel like, and that's like just the art of makeup. You can switch it up whenever you want. I'm just gonna prime my lids because I don't know, I'm just gonna do it. I just feel like doing it, but I'm gonna prime with my NYX HD primer. If I was to create my own palette, makeup revolution, I would do something like the way Tammy has done hers, because honestly guys, eyeshadow palette, and that's why I just love using it. I have to be honest, this is not even sponsored, but it's sounding sponsored, innit? Because I'm just bigging her up so much, but I'm just saying how it is. Coconuts, which is almost like a maroon. I need to learn how to not be shy with my eyeshadow because I feel like I'm doing a lot, and then at the end result I'm just like, I could have taken it up a bit more, I could have used more colour. Like, I'm so shy of the eyeshadow palette. About timing. Okay, rising with burgundy colour above what I've done and blend. I'm not going to be shy with the eyeshadow. I'm going to take it up as I need to. I want to see the colour. Like, non-existent at all. Non-existent. Called Cocktails, and this type of glitter, guys, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's just so versatile. It's just got everything all in one. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And then blend out. This is what I'm talking about with the eyeshadows. I don't know if it's just a makeup revolution thing, but the way that's come off, like, it comes off so freely, I don't like, because it could mean that I could waste a lot of products, and I'd hate to waste products from this palette that I love so much. Now that I've done the top bit of my eyeshadow, oh, I do 2 tones under, what's this called? What is it called? Not waterline, the skin under your waterline. I didn't actually use at all, but I love the way it's going to add a different effect to my eyeshadow. I'm going to mix Dreams and Coconut and a bit of Horizon, another tone that you haven't used on your top of your eyelid, at the bottom. So yeah, I'm just going to put that basically under my whole skin, under my waterline area. Then I'm going to go in with Horizon and place it towards the end like that. And then guys, I have been obsessed with putting eyeshadow under my waterline. It just adds to your eyeshadow. I am not joking. What I'm going to use is this gold here, Candlelight. I would want to do white in the tear duct area, but there isn't a white colour in this shade. This is the closest I'd say. Yeah, no, it's not even the closest to white. It's literally gold, but it still looks nice. To the rest of our makeup once my eyes are done. So, and just do this. And this is a cool effect when you want to enhance your mascara, but you don't want to use too much eyeliner. You just literally do this, strokes in a downwards motion. My Fenty bronzer for the bronze. So yeah. Highlight. feel like my face just feels so dull without highlight. I don't think I could ever live without highlight. Well, I could, but you know what I'm talking about. You guys know what I'm talking about. Whenever I apply something new to my face, I love to refer back to my brush and literally just marry everything together. I feel like blending is so key but so underrated, because you already feel like it's blended in, but you can always blend more. I feel like you just never can do too much blending, if you know what I mean. Oh my god, here comes the best part, guys. I could not wait to try out her lip. I'm shook. Oh my god, guys, have a look. Oh my gosh, this is just like me. Oh wait, am I capping? This is not gloss. Gloss, is it? Wait. No, it is. No, I love it. Right, I'm just going to pop some lashes on and I'll be right back. So that is all for this look. What do you guys think? Nah, Tammi did well, guys. Give it up for your girl. This is not sponsored. She did not send me. She don't even know I exist. But support your girl, why not? Like, I don't understand. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope it was easy to follow. Everything will be in the description. Oh, my head's chopped off, I just realized. Everything will be in the description box, including this hair, because I know people are gonna ask and I have to give it to them. And yeah, follow me on all my social media so you keep up with me outside of YouTube, okay? Okay, my nails are gone. I look like a little boy. Yeah, okay, cool. So I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this look, and thank you so much for tuning in to another VanessaK7 video. Bye.